god, I'm so scared to touch it. Okay, we got it out. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Shady once again, and I'm here for another first impression. I'm not gonna front. I'm a sneakerhead, and I'm into like a bunch of collectibles and stuff, but this one is like really special. So, in this box, we have the Daniel Arsham DeLorean, but it's the limited edition version of this. I believe there's three different versions. There's a gray version, there is a white version, and this is the limited edition version, which is like a cream, like off-white. So this is like I said, this is a special unboxing, man, and I'm so excited for it. So let's get into it. We can get rid of this ugly brown box. We don't care about this. When you open the box, it comes with this like super like soft like white bag. Like that's premium. That's premium. And it comes with these inserts because you got to keep this thing safe. This thing is expensive and it's fragile. This is art. So let's take this out. Get rid of this. This up. Oh man, we're greeted with a huge picture of a DeLorean, which is dope. See, it says Eroded Delorean, Arsham Studios, Arsham logo, and this box feels real premium. I don't even want to touch it. Steve, if I break it, don't get mad at me. Oh, there's a seal on it. We got to break the seal. Wow. Okay, Arsham. Let me be careful with this thing. So let's open this box. And wow. Okay, so when you open the box, the top of the box has a hand-drawn picture of the DeLorean. It also comes with this little box at the top. Bro, it actually comes with gloves. Wait, and these are like really nice gloves. I don't know if my hands are gonna be able to fit in here. I got big hands, so we're gonna find out. Oh, they fit. I feel important. Okay. So we have the Daniel Arsham gloves, and on the gloves, they actually have Arsham Studios logos. All right. Okay, so we're about to open it. Yo, what? Okay, this is sick. Do I just... I'm so scared to touch it. Oh my God, I'm so scared to touch it. Okay, we got it out. It's like I'm holding a newborn baby right now. So this is the Daniel Arsham DeLorean. It's beautiful. It got some weight to it. It's like an off-white cream color. As you can see the erosion on the hood with the crystals in the hood. And if you really, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but when you really look at it from different angles, it's actually real like crystals in the materials they use to make this thing. You can see it shine and pop every once in a while. It depends on the angle you're looking at it. It looks like on the inside, the seats are all eroded, the steering wheel. I believe this version, which is the limited edition version, the doors open up. So as careful as I can be, I'm gonna try to open the doors, but I'm literally terrified right now. Oh, okay, so it does open. It feels like when you're opening the door, like you're messing it up, but I guess it's a hinge on it and it just takes a little bit. But oh man, with the doors open, you can see seats are all crystallized on the inside and eroded, and they sparkle. Definitely, like that's so crazy, dude. What? This is a dope piece to have on display. If you like have an office, if you collect a bunch of art, or if you collect a bunch of collectibles, this is a dope piece to have in your collection. And this is a good conversation piece. The DeLorean is a very popular car because of Back to the Future, and a lot of car collectors, they love this car, they hunt for this car, they try to find this car, but the doors open up like wings. This thing looks literally just like the DeLorean. Daniel Arsham is one of the greatest artists of our generation, and this is amazing. And I want to get as far away from this thing as fast as I can because I don't want to break it. So I'm